In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic Add to Cart button in Wix. This feature is incredibly useful if you're running an online store and want to enhance the shopping experience for your customers. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily follow along and implement it on your own site. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix website editor. This is your primary platform for designing and customizing your website. If you're logged in, head over to your dashboard and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in, take a breath and get ready to start with the creative process. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the Add button on the left-hand side of the editor. It's here that you'll find all the essential elements you can add to your site. Once you click it, a menu will open up displaying a range of categories such as text, image, and video. Since we're focusing on a store feature, the next step is crucial. Next, select the Store option from the menu. This specifically deals with all the e-commerce features, from product displays to shopping cart functionalities. After clicking on Store, you'll see different store elements you can add to your page. This is where we begin to focus on the Add to Cart feature. Now go ahead and click on the Cart icon. This icon is your gateway to enhancing the customer's shopping experience. Once clicked, it will show you various ways you can implement cart functionalities on your site. From this point, you'll want to choose an Add to Cart button style that fits your website's look and feel. Wix offers several design options, allowing you to pick one that blends seamlessly with your branding. Take a moment here to consider the aesthetics of your site and choose accordingly. With your button style in place, click on the Manage Products section. Here you can adjust details about each product you're selling, such as pricing, descriptions, and inventory. This step is where you define what products your Add to Cart button will interact with. Absolutely crucial for a smooth user experience. Let's move on to the Settings tab, where you can fine-tune how your cart behaves. This can include aspects like VAT or sales tax settings, language preferences, and region-specific options. Be sure to explore these options thoroughly to ensure everything aligns with your market's needs. Finally, head over to the Design tab. This setting allows you to modify the visual attributes of your Add to Cart button. Here you can alter colors, fonts, and even the button shapes to better match the tone and style of your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a dynamic Add to Cart button on your Wix site that not only looks appealing but also functions efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!